In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Gemini as the default assistant on Android mobile. By the end of this walkthrough, your phone will use Gemini whenever you invoke your digital assistant, giving you Google's latest AI experience for voice and text help. I'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll point out a few tips along the way in case your screen looks a little different. Start by opening the Google app on your Android phone. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, and it's the one with the multicolored G icon. This is the hub for search, personalized updates, and the settings we need to change your default assistant. Once the Google app is open, look to the top right corner and tap your profile picture or initial. That's your account menu, and it's where Google groups options related to your preferences and privacy. If you don't see your photo, you may just see a circle with the first letter of your account name. That's the one you want. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. This takes you into the main configuration area for the Google app. It uses a simple list layout, and everything we need is just a few taps away. Inside Settings, tap Google Assistant. This section controls how your assistant behaves, which voice it uses, and, most importantly for us, which assistant your phone relies on by default. It's normal for the wording and layout to vary slightly across Android versions, but the option will be clearly labeled. Next, tap Digital Assistant. Think of this as the switchboard for choosing the assistant that responds to your requests. Here you'll see available options tied to your device and account. If your device supports it and the feature is available in your region and language, you'll see Gemini listed. Finally, tap Gemini to set it as your default assistant. After you make the selection, your phone will route assistant requests to Gemini. Depending on your setup, you might see a brief confirmation or informational screen. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the change. From now on, when you use your assistant shortcut, Gemini will be the one responding, drawing on Google's latest AI capabilities for faster, more contextual help. If you don't see Gemini listed, it may not be available for your account or device yet, or it might require an app update that hasn't rolled out to you. Availability can depend on region and language, so check back later if it's not there today. That's it, quick and straightforward. You've set Gemini as your default assistant using the Google app, your profile menu, settings, Google Assistant, and Digital Assistant. Enjoy your new AI assistant experience.